Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using the Moisture LOC kit from Pydana Naturals. So I'm starting off with the Avocado Herbal Silk Leave-In Conditioner. This lightweight conditioner replenishes moisture, detangles, and adds shine. Next up, I'm going in with the Luscious Locks Herbal Silk Hair Oil with Argan. This hair oil is very lightweight, non-greasy, and it locks in the moisture. For styling, I'm using the Marula and Kopuasu Herbal Silk 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer. And when I say intense moisturizer, that is exactly what this is. Lightweight, creamy, this stuff is bomb. So for styling, I am doing small to medium flat twist with a deep side part. So I'll just be repeating these same steps throughout my hair. So enjoy. So I'm parting off in small to medium sections. I have already applied the leave-in conditioner and the oil, so I'm just applying the 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer, starting with the ends, working my way up to the roots, making sure that my hair is completely detangled before starting the flat twist. So I'm doing small to medium size flat twist, and then once I get about 50% of the way down, or the flat twist is done, I make sure that I use my small tooth comb to detangle, and then just do a 2-strand twist the rest of the way down and twirling it around my fingers at the end. So I am definitely team TwistOut, and these flat twists have been giving me life lately, so you will definitely be seeing more flat twists from me on my channel. So let me know in the comments how you feel about flat twists. I was so afraid of doing flat twists before because I just couldn't figure it out. But once I got the hang of it, I definitely love it. I love the definition that it gives. I love that you don't have to do too much separating and manipulating because the curls are already individually separated when you are twisting. So this is my first time trying any products from Pydana collection, and I am definitely impressed. I also do have a discount code that I will leave in the description box, so make sure you check that out so that you can save some coins on purchasing these products for yourself. So my hair is all the way twisted. I am going to sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes and then just let the rest air dry overnight. So here we are the next day, ready for the takedown. My twists are all dry, they are moisturized. I'm going to add a little bit of the oil to my hands just to prevent any unnecessary or unwanted frizz. So I'm going to add this to my hands and then apply some to my hair strands and just make sure that my fingertips are coated with the oil. So let's go ahead and acknowledge this definition. Definitely on point. I can already tell this is going to be a bomb flat twist out. So here's my hair with all of the flat twists taken down, no fluffing at all, no separating, just unraveling the flat twist. And as you can see, definition is on point. So yeah, I guess y'all ready? Here are my final results. So I went and slayed my edges just a little bit. Did a little bit of fluffing just to eliminate the parts that were created from twisting. But yes, definitely feeling this flat twist out. My hair is moisturized. My curls are defined. Pydana collection. Yes, definitely will be using these products again for a different style. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed using these products. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.